Avenue. Gradebook. Viewing a course gradebook. To access the gradebook, click on the Grades link in the course navigation menu. The default Grader report opens. Note that there are other types of grade reports. Click on the Grader Report drop-down menu to see a list of options. The Grader Report lists the names of the students in your course, the activities in the course, and the grades students have achieved by completing an activity. Note the icons that show if a grade has been edited or overridden. It looks like a pencil and paper. The star or asterisk indicates that feedback has been provided. A red grade with an X indicates a failing grade, and a green grade with a check indicates a passing grade. Each cell has an action menu icon. Depending on the activity type, this will display the grade analysis or the view feedback option. You can easily change the way that the information displays. To find a specific student, you can use the Search Users search box. Begin typing the student's name and then choose from the drop-down that displays. Just the one student's grades are displayed. To list all of the students again, click on Clear. The full list of student grades is displayed again. Alternately, you can choose the first letter of the first name and the first letter of the last name. Then click on the Apply button. Again, just the one student's grades are displayed. To list all of the students again, click on Clear All. The full list of student grades is displayed again. You can also sort the columns by first name, last name, or email address. Click on the Action menu icon. You can choose how the list is displayed. Select one of the options. In this example, we'll select first name descending. Notice that the list is now sorted by first name descending. If you would like to sort it by last name, click on the Action menu icon again. Select last name ascending or descending. The list is now sorted by last name descending. To change the view of grades and totals, click on the Action menu icon beside the course full name. A list of options opens. Show grades only, show totals only, and show grades and totals. Select one of the options. Now only the totals are showing. To return to the Grades Only view, click on the Action menu icon again and select Show Grades Only. Please note, if you activate Edit mode by clicking on the toggle in the Avenue banner, the grades become editable and a sticky Save Changes button appears in the lower left corner of the screen.